Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to fix guys screen rotate problem on Oppo phone device. Friends, we want to fix screen rotate problem on Oppo phone. So how to fix screen rotate problem today friends I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, you use any app and guys your screen rotate automatic. So how to fix screen rotate problem. So friends, I will on phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface. So friends, scroll it. Friends, click on display brightness setting. After on display brightness guys, off your auto rotate from here. Means guys, disable your auto rotate. After disable friends, your screen will not rotate automatic. Friends, you can check, you can try friends, your screen will not rotate on your device. You can use guys any app on your phone, your screen will not rotate. And friends, you want to rotate your screen, you want to use, so friends you will have to on. Friends, click on phone setting again, and friends click on display brightness. As you can see auto rotate guys, we will on it. And friends, now you want to rotate your phone screen, you can rotate. And once you have guys your screen rotate problem, so how to fix screen rotate problem. Friends, click on phone setting, and friends click on search option, and friends click here AUTO. Friends, you can see auto and friends scroll it. Auto rotate friends, click here, and friends we will off auto rotate. After of friends, you can see screen will not rotate automatic on our device. So like that friends, you can fix your auto rotate problem on your Oppo phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Do you have any doubt, so you can ask me in comment section friends, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching.